Okay, y'all. Here go my bowl. This is my bowl with my bananas and my strawberries and granolas and my drizzle on top. It looks good. You can't really even see it, y'all, but I'm finna get ready to bust this thing down. Yeah, it has coconut flakes on top too.
My bowl.
And y'all, let me see y'all bowl too. Yeah.
Tati, she said she wants to see our bowl.
Oh.
Did y'all get strawberry on y'all bowl?
Yeah, I think she got strawberry and blueberry.
Yeah, that looks real good. I'm getting ready to taste it and see what's
Got
popping.
almond butter on
We
that
got there
part.
just
Oh,
in
we got
time.
almond butter.
That's right
Oh, yeah, that's kind of good. Oh, y'all got blueberries on y'all.
Yeah. I was gonna do banana, but I got blueberries instead.
Let me dig to the bottom.
Yeah, I see ya. Whatever.
I see ya.
Acai, child.
A sign.
That's what they call it.
Y'all look at
Yeah, go
them.
get it.
Get all up in there. Get in there, get in there, get in there. Taco. It's good. It has granola down in the bottom.
Eat it. What you got on it?
Mm.
Yeah.
Man, that is so good. That is really good. Y'all look real good too. Oh y'all, this is real good. Y'all should come. Blend Friends. They got it going on. East Point. Washington Road, y'all. That thing is good. That thing good. Y'all. That thing is good, y'all. I'm telling y'all. Come on through. Get y'all a bowl. It's real good. It's good. They bowls are good. Juices too. All right, y'all. TT Mimi. I see y'all on the flip side. I'm finna go. I'm finna eat. Bye.